This is the new HONOR X9a 5G. HONOR Malaysia confirmed it's not a minor update or a facelift of the current HONOR X9 5G. Instead, this is the successor. I'm not too sure what will be the next naming after the X9a. Probably X9b? Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fast episode 82. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we're looking at the toughest OLED curved display smartphone from HONOR's the HONOR X9a 5G. Compared to its predecessor, I would say the upgrade is significant and fixed the HONOR X9 5G shortfall. First and foremost, the HONOR X9a 5G now features a more advanced OLED panels and girded with ultra tough glass that can survive multiple drop tests as well as crack open walnuts without leaving a scuff on the display. The 6.67-inch OLED curved display features Full HD Plus resolution that pushes up to 120Hz refresh rate, 300Hz touch sampling rate, 800 nits peak brightness, 1 billion colors, and 100% coverage of DCI-P3 color space. Because it's an OLED panel, having an in-display fingerprint scanner is viable. The display is bright and brilliant as expected from OLED technology. The only 7.9mm thickness smartphone is packed with the largest battery in its class, a 5100 mAh battery that supports HONOR 40W supercharge. Because of the curved OLED displays and curved back covers, the device feels slim and sleek on hand. The HONOR X9a 5G now gets an ultra-wide-angle camera instead of the ineffectual step sensor. It pairs with a 64MP primary camera, a 5MP ultra-wide and a macro lens. The center hole punch cutout houses a 16MP fixed focus front shooter. The rest of the hardware is pretty much the same, powered with 6nm Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 5G processor, 8GB of memories with a further 5GB of virtual memories from the 256GB internal storage. You'll be running on Android 12 with MagicUI 6.1 skin on top. Google mobile services are still present. I can't review much on the synthetic benchmark test result and camera performance, as this device will only be launching on the 4th of January 2023. Roughly, you should know how the Snapdragon 695 performs. As for photo-wise, I'll be sharing them on my Instagram at @GatherMobiles. Do follow me if you haven't done so. The HONOR X9a 5G will be offered in 3 color options: titanium silver, which I have it right here, emerald greens, and midnight black. Availabilities, pricings, and promotions will be unveiled during the events. That's all from me on the HONOR X9a 5G. If you have any questions, do leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.